Director General of REB, Barrister Mohammed Harun Rashid, said that the government is continuing its round-the-clock efforts to return the Rohingyas to their country. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is directly supervising the security of the dependents. Dizzy Rab said this in an exchange meeting with Rohingya community leaders organized by 14 APBN at number 5 Rohingya camp in Ukia on Saturday afternoon.
সরকারি পর্যায়ে তো অবশ্যই চেষ্টা করতেছে যে আপনারা যেন আবার ঠিকঠাক মতো আপনাদের যে মাতৃভূমি জন্মভূমি যেটা সেখানে যেন আপনারা ফেরত যেতে পারেন সেই ব্যবস্থা তো সরকারের দিক থেকে করে যাচ্ছে।
The meeting started with the welcome speech of 14 APBN commander Muhammad Iqbal. Besides expressing gratitude to Bangladesh, Rohingya leaders also expressed their feelings. At the end of the meeting, there was a charming performance in the Rohingya language to the tune of mandolin.
Kempun Matheration Hai Hai Annagorium Hoja Emmar Poindo Delayaraton Takabor Hoja.
Earlier in the afternoon, the rap chief was given a guard of honor when he reached the 8 APBN office in Ukia. Later, the convoy of the rap chief reached the Irani Pahar police camp of camp number 5. News Desk, TTN.